So today's our last day and we're in Magic Kingdom. It's so crazy because just last night was Halloween and they turned this around in how many
All
hours?
the pumpkins and every window's gone.
Logan, you excited? Where are we going? The Swiss Family Robinson Tree House.
In the water. Okay.
It's pretty good. Matches your shirt?
Oh yeah.
Which one do you want to do? Blackbeard, Heads You Lose, or Haven Defense? Alright.
Now
How many are in your party? 4. Find this mark on your map and go there. Oh, mark. It's right there.
no, in this
No, this one. Okay, so we have to start there. In the store. Oh yeah, they're trapped in bottles. Oh, here.
Here it is. That's your band.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
We found the treasure. Fire!
See it?
Seem to find in the mark of the
See this mark?
$1,000 on your
See this mark?
Okay, now.
Sure, it will help.
Fine. Okay, so we go here. That's cool, Logs. See the ship sinking?
Why did they fight each other?
There it is. Try it. Look.
Blackbeard. That man has no respect for the sea. Very well, I will help you. For now.
They must be searching their map for the mark of the cannon.
We gotta look for the cannon.
Here, Logan, look. Where's the cannon? Oh, all right. Let's go.
A cannon?
A cannon!
Without a
Gas launching. attack again.
Now, see if you can find the mark of the swords on your map and set your course.
I missed it.
Swords. Oh,
There it is, Logan. The
swords.
swords. Wait. Yeah, there's this painting. Whoa.
Their treasure.
Look at the painting.
The treasure of the Mediterranean's power is mine.
Look here.
How dare you steal it from me? I'll make you regret you ever crossed paths with me. Now be gone!
We're done. Right.
Now let's go back to the shop. Let's go.
Careful.
Bubbles everywhere.
You ready for adventure?
Now, during our time together, I ask that you stay in the boat, stay seated, watch these kids, all right? You can still be on the nice list. It's too late for me. I know what I did. It's worth it. Now be cool, everyone. My in-laws are here. Hey, guys. Oh, Dawn, that sweater looks fabulous! That's gotta be the North Pole, right? Right? No? You don't think so? Although I guess that really shows what I know. We've entered headhunter territory. This is probably not the best place to be headed. Especially if they dance in a circle that way. Do you know what it means when they dance in a circle that way? It means they forgot how to square dance. Okay, we should probably get on in here. And now we've reached my literal least favorite part of the ride, and that's the end of it. I know, me too, man. I don't want it to end. You know what? I had so much fun, I'm probably gonna go again.
Cheeseburger egg roll.
Sounds like a cheeseburger.
Thank you.
Nice. What is that?
LeFou's Brew.
Check out my new pin. And then Mom's. A nerd.
Guys, why do you have the ponchos on?
It's torrential downpour.
We're in the rain.
Cold.
We're doing Big Thunder because it's only 20 minutes.
Because no one's around. I'm a little nervous.
Ready for the loop?
There's no loop.
There's a big loop on this one.